Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to post a video to your WeChat channel. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your WeChat app. Go ahead and click on Discover. Proceed to Channels. Click on the profile icon right here. Go ahead and click on Post Video. You can do a live recording of a video, or you post a video from your phone gallery. So in this regard, I'm going to post from my phone gallery. So go ahead and click on Gallery right here. Then from your gallery, select any video that you would like to post into your WeChat account. I'm going to click on here. Then I'll go ahead and click on all video. And here we go. I'm going to go ahead and upload this part. I'm going to go ahead and select this particular video right here. Then click on Next. Click on Next. Then here you go. So here you can add a music to the video. For that, go ahead and click on here to add a music. You can also cut some part of the video. You can add commentary to the video. You can add Chinese text or what have you. Once you are done, go ahead and click on Done right here. Now you are here. Then here you can go ahead and choose another cover for your video. If you are not satisfied with the current cover, click on the setting cover, then choose any other cover that you like for your video. I'm going to choose this one right here. Then I hit on Done. Now the cover has changed. Then go ahead and enter your description. Then you can add a viral hashtag. So you can add as many as possible hashtags. You can also come down below right here, add a location if you would like to add a location. So go ahead and click on the location icon. Then you can choose your location from the drop down. Once you add a location and then you are done with your description, go ahead and click on Post. Now you have the video posting right here on your WeChat channel. Allow everything to post successful. Once it posts successful, you have the video in your channel history. Just like what you see right here, the video has been posted successful on my WeChat channel. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your WeChat account, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.